Assalamualaikum class 9. This is your computer class and chapter is Introduction to Database System. Introduction to Database System. This is our last chapter. Reduced outline of this chapter is database management system, basic component of DBMS, step for creating table using design view. A database is stored in organized form. This is our first question. Write a definition of database. A database is composed of table which contain row and column. These row and column are called record and file respectively. Most databases contain multiple tables. For example, a general store database may include table for purchase, sale and stock record. Each of these tables has a different field that are relevant to the information stored in the table. Generally, a database is an electronic system that facilitates easy access, manipulation and updating of data. Question number 2. Define database management system. DBMS. Database management system are usually developed, maintained and controlled by the database management system. The DBMS essentially serve as an interface between database and end user or application program, ensuring that data is consistently organized and remain easily. Database is a collection of electronic record that can be processed to produce useful information. Our third question is the name of some database application or database languages, programming languages. MySQL, Oracle, Visual Fox Pro, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2 and PostgreSQL. Question number 4. What is flat file system? Early databases were relatively flat, which means they were limited to simple row and column, like a spreadsheet. A flat file is a older version of database. A flat file database is a database that store data in a plain text file. Each line of the text file hold one record with field separated by delimiters such as common or tabs. While it uses a simple structure, a flat file database cannot contain manipulate table like a relational database can. Fortunately, most database programs such as Microsoft Access and FileMaker, flat file database, and in the end, the flat file is also a type of computer file system. And the question number 5. Difference between DBMS and flat file system. Multiple users can access data simultaneously in database. Only one user can access at a time, capable of handling huge store a huge set of data in DBMS, and in the flat file system suitable only for a smaller set of data. In the database allowed non-multiple and integrately. In the flat file system increase duplicate and redundant data. In the DBMS support online access. In the flat file system does not support remote connection. In the DBMS good for small, medium and large business. And in the flat file system limited only to smaller data management needs. This is our last question, question number 5, and we have done in this chapter or in this topic about DBMS. Thank you.